Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this short video I'd like to do a quick review of this 18 volt cordless Einhell blower. So here is the 18 volt Einhell cordless blower. I didn't know I needed one of these tools. I saw it and I thought I'll give it a try, and since I've bought one I've realised that they're really useful and I would recommend them if you do a lot of DIY or woodworking. I think they're great. They're a very simple tool. So it is just like a propeller or an impeller. I'm not sure what you call this in here. And that spins around and funnels the air down out of this hose here. This is like a rubber hose that attaches on. And it has 2 speeds. I'll show that in a moment. The hose attaches on, easy to come off. And it also comes with these other attachments that go on like so. And then there's 2 ends that push into the end. Good for blowing up a beach ball, like a swimming pool ball or a dinghy, something like that. Some kind of inflatables. I'm not sure. I don't really use these, but they're there if you need them. I use this main hose and that concentrates and channels all of the air down into a point. So I've been using this a lot for cleaning up projects, getting the dust off projects, and also cleaning up tools, getting all the dust out of the nooks and crannies. Before I was just using a brush or getting out the vacuum, but I found this to be more effective. You can really just blast, put your tools outside in the garden and just give them a blast with this, and it does the job. So mine didn't come with the battery, but they work with the power exchange 18 volt batteries. And I'll just show you now. It's a simple tool. It's got an on and off trigger. So it has 2 speed modes on it. This is speed number 1. And this is speed number 2. So the second speed is quite aggressive. If you want to really blast the dust out of things, it's great for that. A very simple tool, great for cleaning areas out, getting rid of dust and bits. You might even be able to use this to clean your gutters out with, I don't know. There's probably lots more uses for this tool. If you've got some more uses for this tool, please let us all know in the comments section, and I'll be happy to see all the different ideas. That's what I've been doing with mine so far. And I would recommend this for a workshop. If you have a garage, you're into DIY or woodworking, it's great to blow dust off things and clean things up. So now I'll show a few examples of me using this tool. Okay, so that's about it then for this video. So as I say, a very simple tool, but very effective and very useful in a workshop setting. If you don't have one of these, I'd highly recommend getting one because they're super useful. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.